Hello everyone, in this video we'll be seeing about a tracker which I was working on for the last few days. So this is a birthday analysis tracker where you can feed in a person's name and birthday, and you will come to know like how many years that person is old, how many months that person is old, and how many days that person is old since he was born. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, I have filled in some uh, people's birthdays and their names, and it can tell you their details like how many years, how many months, how many days they are old, and so on. Yeah. So this is the first part which I have created. So like all these I have created using simple formulas. As you can see, I'll click on the cell. So here I have used the function called DATEDIF. It will accept three parameters. The first parameter is the start date, which is the birth year, and the second parameter is current date, which is today, which is 17th of March, and the third parameter is y. Y is like stand for year. Same. If you see next column, it will be M. M is for month and D is for day. Using these simple formulas, I have created this tracker, and like for now I have scaled up to uh, I have scaled this sheet to work until 149 users, sorry, 148 people you can add so far. So this is scalable, completely scalable. So later, if it's if required, I can extend it. I can scale it to 200, maybe 500 also. Yeah, and even more than that. Yes, so this is the first part. So this is kind of easy to make. And coming to the second part, like there's another sheet called days until birthday. Based on the values which we feed over here, this in the second sheet, the details should be sorted out based on number of days available until the next birthday. Yeah, right. So currently we are on 17th of March, and the next available birthday is for Girish on 29th of March, and next is Rabindranath Tagore, which is on 7th of May, which is 51 days are there for his birthday, and so on. Yeah, so you can keep adding. So just for your like already I have put some data over here. I'll put some more data. So I'll add Warren Buffett, and the birthday is 30th of August 1945. All right. So it will automatically tell number of years, number of months, number of days, and then here you will see his details also, right? Yeah. Okay. And few things which you have to keep in mind. So that the Google Sheet doesn't break, because I have used various formulas to get this output, so it can easily break if you don't follow the proper procedure. So you can keep adding the person's name and date of birth over here, no problem, on the green column. Let's say if you want to delete a particular person, let's say if you want to delete Rabindranath Tagore, so you should not select this, right click and delete. So this is not the right way. So what you can do is you can just select these two tills and hit delete, so the contents are deleted, right? And later you can put someone else's name over here. So this is something which you have to keep in mind. If you're going to delete the cell, the Google Sheet will break, and you will not get the desired output. Okay. So here you can see that Rabindranath Tagore's name is deleted. So instead I'll add another person's name, Asim Premji. All right. And the date of birth is 24th of July 1945. So His name is added, and if you see over here, you should be able to see his name. He has his birthday on 24th of July, which is 129 days away. Yeah, this is a simple tracker which I have created. I'll share this uh, Google Sheet link on my YouTube description. Feel free to make a copy of it, and then you can use it for your own purposes. All right, this sheet is public. Make sure that the uh, once you copy it, you keep it private, or you keep it shared to only known contacts. All right. So hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.